of 33 counties are affected by the ongoing rains, with over 80,000 households displaced or marooned in their homes by the heavy rains. Coast Regional Commissioner Rhoda Anyenka said 10,307 households have been affected in Mombasa, Kwale, Kilifi, Lamu, Tana River and Taita Taveta counties. In the statistics of those affected released by Ms. Anyenka, Mombasa was second with 3,892 households, with Tana River leading with 5,136, Kwale 681, Kilifi 204, Lamu 305, and Taita Taveta 89. In Wager, County Commissioner Karukan Gumo said several houses have been destroyed and more than 30,000 locals displaced.